Introducing Mini Delight Bridge to My Heart Silhouette Stamp Set with 4 gorgeous layered stamps and some beautiful sentiments. Also in the die set, you create this gorgeous bridge and you can cut out 2 of the flowers in the set. We're going to get started stamping the flowers. The first combination we're going to use is Rouge and Blush for flower A1 with layer A2. Flower B1 will be Eastern Sky. Layer B2 will be Blush. Next we have C1, which will be Wisteria. C2 will be Blush. And finally, for D1, we have Blush. And for D2, we have Rouge. And then we'll put together our bridge. You'll cut 2 pieces from Mocha, 1 from Espresso. Espresso goes in the center and just follows the curve of the bridge. And then you line it up with the post on the side and you have a beautiful bridge. I hope this video was helpful in layering together your bridge to my heart. Here is some inspiration from our amazing designers. To find out more about Mini Delight Bridge to My Heart and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.